What's up? This video is all about Kenshot, and since I released a new software update, I'm going to show you how to update the application. Alright, let's go to our system tray and right click on the application, this one, and check for updates. It's going to open the updater, and here new version is 101, and the show comments is all about changelogs. And let's go click on next to download the installer. Alright, and now execute the update installer now. Click on finish. And now it's preparing the installer. Alright, process detected. So let's go fix this. Go to the system tray and right click on the application and click on exit. So it's going to exit the application, and we can now retry here. To proceed installation, make sure to select yes, because I don't have cert code signing for now. Maybe soon. Alright, and update the existing installation. Click on next. And accept the agreement. Next. And now it's installing. Alright. And run Kenshot and finished. Alright, here we go. We can now close this application, and let's try checking the print screen shortcut. Press that, and it's working. Alright, we can use the rectangle and stroke width. Yep, that's it.